Introducing the Amazon Basics high-speed HDMI cable. This black cable measures 193.5 by 2 by 0.98 centimeters and weighs 163.29 grams. This HDMI cable is gold-plated, corrosion-resistant and delivers optimal signal transfer with lower distortion at the point of contact. The HDMI cable also comes with a durable black PVC outer layer and shielding, which protects against outside interference. This cable supports a bandwidth of up to 18 Gbps, offers 4K video resolution and supports the wide-angle theatrical 21:9 video aspect ratio. The cable also offers dynamic synchronization of video and audio stream. It can deliver 2 video streams and up to 4 audio streams simultaneously. Even more, the HDMI cable supports up to 32 audio channels and up to 1536 kHz total audio. The versatile cable's built-in Ethernet allows for sharing an internet connection among multiple devices. The HDMI cable connects Blu-ray players, Apple TV, PS4, PS3, Xbox One, Xbox 360, computers and other HDMI-enabled devices to TVs, displays, AV receivers and more. This 6 feet cable is also available in a 3 feet and 10 feet option. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.
Introducing Blu-Rigger high-speed HDMI cable with Ethernet. The Blu-Rigger cable measures 12.7 by 12.7 by 2.5 centimeters and weighs 160 grams. It is 2 meters long and is built for durability and strength. The cable features full metal jacket housing with 100% pure copper conductors, triple cable shielding and 24-karat gold-plated connectors for better signal strength and minimum interference. The HDMI cable is compatible with all HDMI components such as Blu-ray player, Apple TV, Xbox One, PS4, Roku and laptops with HDMI output to 4K UHD TV, projectors, AV receivers. It can be used for conferences, education, gaming and home theater setup. It supports 4K video, 3D, Ethernet, audio return channel, HDCP 2.2, 48-bit deep color, 32 audio channels, HDR, Dolby True HD 7.1 and wide-angle 21:9 video image formats for an immersive user experience. The cable is available in varying lengths of 3, 10, 15, 20, 25, 35, 50, 75 and 100 feet for any requirement. The product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.